Good morning, students. Today we do lesson number 11, Basic Geometrical Concept, activity 4. So let's start with it. See these pictures. In this picture, you see the daily routine, life things like blackboard you see in your class, desks also you see in your class, pizza already you have eaten, stairs you have always seen. And you know the space what they are making, these things, see this thing what they are making, these two spaces, they are making angles. Pizza space, this one's thing what they are making angle, this thing is also making angle, this thing is also making angle. That's right, students. Today we are doing angles. So let's start with it. What are angles? These are the important points which you have to write down in your maths copy. Clear? The first point which you have to write down in your maths copy is angle. What is angle? A figure formed by joining two rays. I have shown you the figure also, that the two lines are coming and that two lines are called rays. When two rays are joined at the initial point is called angle. See this. This line and this line is making angle. Do you know what these lines are called? These one line and this one line. We call these lines arms of angles. What we call arms. And this point where these two arms meet is called vertex. What we call it? Vertex. Clear this thing? Now, we write next 2 points. Second point, this all 3 points you have to write down in your maths copy, fair copy. Clear? The two rays which form the angles are called arms of the angles. Clear? Already told you what are the arms of the angles. Then third point, the point where two rays meet is called vertex of the angle. Already shown you. Where the two rays are meeting, that point, that corner is called vertex. Clear? Now, student, I will let you know what is the interior and exterior of the angle. Interior is the inside space of the angle. See here. I have colored it with the pink color. Inside the space means shaded portion is called interior part of the angle. So if I want the interior angles, clear? So what are these points in the interior angle points? One is point A and a second is point B. And exterior means outside the angle, that point is called angle point C. Clear, students? Now, we do activity 4. Question number 1. This one question, student, we do in the book only. Name the angles. So, A part, angle. How can we name the angles? Listen carefully. One way of writing the angle name is firstly put the angle sign. This is called angle sign. And along with it, we write the name. Suppose we are writing the name of this one angle B. Vertex should be come inside. Clear? So how we write angle C B A. Clear? What we call them? Angle CBA. Or one way of writing another angle is angle B. Clear? Now, second B part answer will be angle N. If you write angle N also, that is also correct. If you write angle B only, means center one you have to take. And C1 answer is angle Y. Clear? Or you can also write angle ZYX. So write down in your maths books. Now, I have written like this manner, angle ABC, angle MNP, angle XYZ. Clear? You can write single name also as I have shown you like that manner only. Clear? Now, student, we do question number 2. Name the arms and vertices of the angle. Arms, you know, legs we call. Arms, everybody is having arms, so arms of it are PQ and QR. So vertex is Q of it. Of B is B only, vertex. And it is Y. It is called vertex. Center point is called vertex. And arms, where these arms meet. See, one arm is P, Q. See this. First vertex is Q, then vertex is B, then vertex is Y. And arms, how we write? We write arms from vertex to arrows. So first is QP and QR. After that we write from the center point is B. So we write BC to BA. Clear? Do two arms I have written of B. Now C part. First is YZ and YX. Clear? So this one question you also do in your book. Now student, we do question number 3. Question number 3, we have to write down the points, interior and exterior. First of all, we write exterior point. Exterior means which come outside. So one point is point P and second point is point Z. And interior points are point Y and point X. Both this parts you have to write down in the book only. Understood? Means activity full we will write in book. Only the angle points we write in the copies. Clear this thing? Now students, we do triangle. Tri means 3 sides. So triangle is 3-sided closed figure. Clear? And now we will do different types of triangle. So first type is scalene. In scalene beta, all the 3 sides are different. See, all these 3 sides are different. And in isosceles, 2 sides are equal. Even I put the arrows. This side is equals to this one side. And the third one is called equilateral triangle, in which all the sides are equal. Now one by one we write down the types of triangle in the copy. So student, now you have to write down this one points in the copy. Types of triangle, write down equilateral triangle, in which the length of all sides are equal. And this one triangle also you have to draw in your copy. Clear? Draw this triangle also in your copy. Now we do isosceles triangle. Isosceles means 2 sides are equal. So you write length of 2 sides are equal, and with this you have to make this diagram also. Clear? Now scalene triangle. The length of all the sides are different. Means see, all these sides you see. This is 3, this is 4 and this is 5. All are different. So you consider it scalene triangle. So this point also you have to write down in your copy. Clear? Now student, we do activity 5 first question. Activity 5 first question is triangle XYZ is given. See, this one triangle given. You have to name it sides, vertices and angle. Now student, write down in your copy activity 5 and solution of question number 1. See how we do. Like this manner we do this one question. Sides you know. XY, YZ, ZX means lines we call side. Vertices you know, corners. So X, Y, Z. Clear? Angles I told you, you can write in 2 ways. Which one is easiest for you? Use that one. Angle XYZ, angle XZY, angle YXZ. Or you can write X, angle X, angle Y or angle Z. Angle sign is mandatory in writing angles. Clear? Now student, question number 2. This one question you have to do in your book only. Classify the triangle in a scalene isosceles equilateral according to the length of the sides. Means A part, all the sides are equal. So what we consider it? We consider it equilateral triangle. See, it is a equilateral triangle. Then B part, see, all 3 sides are different. So it is a scalene triangle. Clear? And when 2 sides are equal, we call it isosceles triangle. Clear students? So students, today we have done angles. What are the angles? Then we have done interior and exterior points of the angles. After that we have discussed triangle. And on the behalf of that we have done activity 4 and activity 5. So thank you and have a nice day.